Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Bitrix24 CRM and set up channels, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Bitrix24 website in your preferred web browser. Once the page loads, locate the login button in the top right corner. Click on the login button to access the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link to initiate the recovery process. After entering your credentials, click the Login button to proceed. Once logged in, you will land on your Bitrix24 dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the CRM section by selecting the CRM icon located in the main menu. In the CRM area, look for the Settings option, usually represented by a gear icon. Click on the Settings icon to enter CRM settings. Now, find the Channels section within the Settings menu. Select Channels to manage your communication channels. To add a new channel, click on the Add Channel button. You will see various options for communication channels, such as email and social media. Choose the desired channel type and click to configure it. Fill in the necessary details as prompted for the selected channel. After entering the required information, click the Save button to create the channel. You can repeat the process to add additional channels as needed. To customize existing channels, click on the channel you wish to modify in the list. When you have finished setting up your channels, return to the CRM dashboard. Your channels are now set up and ready for use in your Bitrix24 CRM environment. Explore additional CRM features to enhance your workflow and productivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.